Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Kate here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you what does restrict mean on Instagram. Let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device, and now make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, to restrict someone on Instagram, what you have to do is open that account, or you can also go from your message, tap on the message from the upper right corner, and then select the account that you want to restrict. Here I'm going with this one. Once you're on your chat, again go to that profile by tapping on their profile from the top of the screen. Once you tap on there, again go to privacy and safety, and then in there you will see restrict option, and on the screen look down, there you will see restrict option. Once you tap on there, the person is restricted. So what does restricted means is that once you restrict an account, the chat with that person will move to your chat request, and then the interaction between you and that person will get limited. And then one more point on these restrictions is that the person that you have recently restricted won't be notified that you have restricted that account, and you can manage the comments, like, and interaction from that account on your post. Now to see your message request, if tap on request, there you will see the restricted account on this message request. So this is what restriction does on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.